It's going to sound so ridiculous. It's just crazy. But what we see as our blue sky, I know, because I've been watching it for a long time. It's going to sound so crazy, but it is. It's like a planet. It's an Earth-like planet that they're passing off as our sky. That's why, if you notice, the blue sky is the wrong colour. It's the wrong colour blue. It's like that frosted blue you get. It's all the different shades of turquoise, but what it should be. And the peachy coloured clouds you see, if you look closely, you can see that is actually land. It's like looking, when you look out of a window of an airplane and you look down and you're flying over the ocean and you see all the little islands and where, you know, the outline of the land. That's what you see in the sky. But it is so cleverly hidden and disguised. You don't see it, you don't notice it. And also, do you ever get the feeling that sometimes when you look up at the sky, it's like it's coming down onto you? It's like a ball, a sphere, sort of bending, curving downwards on us. You can tell it's round. You can tell it's not right, the sky. Since when, remember when we used to go somewhere high and look, and you could see as far as you can see. Now, you can only see hardly any distance. It drops down, the sky drops down really too soon. There's no view. It's like you need to get a stick and prop it up. I know it sounds crazy, guys, but trust me. That's what they want you to think. Because we've been taught from word go that something like this is not possible. It could never happen. You know, you'd only see something like this on a ridiculous sci-fi movie where a planet is right next door to you, especially one that looks just like Earth. They've drilled it into us. They can't find anywhere that's like Earth. So we're all conditioned to think that something like this could never happen. Well, 3 years ago, I would have said you're crazy to talk about Nibiru. Now I'm full on researching it. And the ridicule and everything just goes straight over my head. Don't listen to it. I know what I'm seeing. I know what I'm researching. I see it. If you look more closely and pay a bit more attention, so will you. You'll see what I'm saying. But, yeah, I'm looking at it right now. And it just looks like looking at Earth, basically. But you're looking up at it. See all the little bits of land. Some of the land's white. You can see terrain. You can see just kind of volcanoes. Very hard to catch because they're so on it, covering it up. But it's there. And they've always got a cloud covering most of it. But they're not always on it. And that's when you catch them out, and that's when you see. And I can see it now. All these little islands. In the total wrong colour of blue, which is obviously their ocean. And all this stuff going on in the atmosphere. Well, it's because that's there, isn't it? Hello?